power surges through the board. A new identity is forged.
One slip of the iron and the board is ruined. Precision is everything. The shattered glass knits together. The damage vanishes, leaving a flawless mirror behind. Claim your mastery over mobile tech. Hit subscribe right now.
I'm sorry, but we can't fix this model here. The damage is too severe and parts are unavailable.
Oh, I see.
My phone is not turning on. Please check.
I'm sorry, we can't fix this here.
My phone is not turning on. Please check.
Okay, let me check. It looks like a small issue. It is a small issue. I can fix it.
Okay, thank you.
We need to apply just enough heat here to secure the connection without damaging the IC.
Right.
It's working now.
Thank you so much.
Everything is perfect.
Thank you. You're welcome.